A heartfelt welcome to all devotees, brothers and sisters to this special spiritual presentation. In today's video, we will discuss an ancient folk practice month associated with Lord Bhairav and the traditional belief connected with it. In various traditions of folk spirituality, the worship of Bhairav is associated with courage, inner strength and freedom from fear and a sense of spiritual protection during difficult circumstances. These are the times in life when a person faces oppositions, stress, obstacle, anxiety, or repeated failure. Sometimes circumstances become so difficult that they may not understand which direction to take to find a solution. In different folk traditions, such situation has been described using various terms. However, one important thing should always be remembered. It is not appropriate to attribute every problem in life to Tantra, unseen forces, or an influence of an enemy. In case of illness or physical discomfort, seek medical advice. If you experience ongoing mental stress or fear, consult an appropriate professional. It is also important to pay attention to the practical causes of financial, family, or business related problem. Month practice can be adopted as an experience of faith, meditation, self discipline, and spiritual practices. According to traditional belief, remembrance of Lord Bhairav can inspire courage, patience, and self confidence with the practitioners. Preparation before spiritual practice. If you wish to engage in this thing of spiritual practice or month listening, first choose a peaceful and clean place. Set up a small worship platform and place an image of idol of Lord Bhairav Maharaj on it. According to faith and tradition, offer water, flour, rice grains, sandalwood or tilak, incense, a lamp, and a devotional offering. Do not consider any violent activity necessary for spiritual practice. A simple, devotional, symbolic form of worship can be performed with pure and respectful offering, using a clean seat for meditation or prayer. If a particular type of seat is traditionally followed in your practice, you may use it. Before beginning the worship, sit quietly for a while, close your eyes, breathe normally, and focus your mind on the divine of Lord Bhairav. Keep the intention of your patience centered or inner strength, peace, wisdom, or positive living rather than causing harm to any person. If your Guru tradition include a particular opening prayer or protective practice, it is better to follow it under the guidance of someone knowledgeable in that tradition. Take special care while using a lamp or fire and always follow basic fire safety precautions. Now, while meditating upon Lord Bhairav Maharaj, listen to the traditional month with devotion. Different branches of folk spiritual tradition may have regional variations in the words and pronunciation of the month. Therefore, it is considered appropriate to follow the version of received from your traditional or a reliable source. मंत्र ओम नमो आदेश गुरु को डमक डमक डाक डमरू बाजे मरघट में चिता जले चिता की भस्म से अघोरी सिंगार करे मसान की खोपड़ी ले भैरव नाचे चल चल कालिका के पूत चल शीशे की धनिया अस्थि को बाण जिसे चलावे वीर भगवान एक बाण मस्तक मारे दूजा बाण छाती तीजा बाण करेजा मारे खून चट चट हड्डी कटकट कपाल फाड़ शत्रु की जवान खींच हंसे को निकाल बाहर कर दुश्मन जहां हो तहां मार दुश्मन की विद्या ध्वस्त कर दुश्मन का घात दुश्मन पर उलट जो मुँहे सतावे प्रेत हो भूत हो वरम हो खबीस हो बंगाल को कारो तंत्र हो सब पकड़ के खपार में डाले जला के राख कर शमशान में पूजा पा जावत ले कारो छहुआ आवत मद की धार हर दुष्ट को दुष्ट वाला को टाल काली के पूत काल भैरव कारज सिद्ध कर दुहाई महादेव की दुहाई महामाई काली की ड्यूरिंग द month, try not to let your mind wander. Avoid rushing through the pronunciation and meditate upon Lord Bhairav with devotion. The intense language of this month should be understood with the context of traditional folk and tantric tradition. It should not be interpreted as instruction for violation, revenge, or causing harm to any real person. regarding month chanting and listening. Different spiritual traditions prescribe different number of repetitions. Some folk tradition mention 11 mala, but this should not be considered a mandatory rule for every practitioner. If you regularly listen to the month, you may sit peacefully and listen for a few minutes according to your convenience. During chanting or listening month, instead of holding hearted toward anyone, prayer to Lord Bhairav for the strength of overcome inner fear, negative thought and mental stability. If you wish to use a mala, you may use a Rudraksh mala and other ordinary prayer mala accepted to your tradition. If you wish to undertake a specific intention or advanced spiritual practice, it is better to seek guidance from a qualified guru or a trustworthy spiritual tradition rather than attempting unfamiliar practice on your own. Regarding Havan, if your tradition include Havan with this month, learn the proper procedure for a knowledgeable guru from before performing it. Always light a fire in safe and well ventilated place. Keep children, clothing, curtains and other flammable material away from the fire. Different traditions prescribe different number of offerings during Havan. Therefore, no particular number should be treated as the universal or compulsory rule. After the Havan, allow the fire to completely extinguish and never touch hot ashes with your hand. Prayer after the spiritual practice. After completing the worship or month chanting, sit quietly for a while and offer your prayer before Lord Bhairav. O Bhairav Maharaj, please forgive my mistake and shortcoming that may be occurred during my spiritual practice. May I always have courage, wisdom, self-control and good judgment within me. Grant me the strength to make the right decisions during difficult circumstances. Guide me to the overcome fear, anxiety and negative thought. May my action never become a source of suffering for any innocent person. Give me the strength to walk upon the path of truth, righteousness, service and good conduct. After this, meditate for a few moments and peacefully bow before Lord Bhairav. Positive habits for a peaceful environment. Instead of depending only on ritual practices, it is equally important to maintain a clean and organized environment around us. Keep your home clean regularly. Allow sufficient fresh air and natural light into the room. Keep the worship area clean and organized and maintain an atmosphere of love and respect among family members. Is present fear, anxiety, sleep difficulties or physical problem continues, do not assume that they are simply caused by the tantric or spiritual obstacles. Seek appropriate medical or professional assistance when necessary. Similarly, during financial difficulties, business losses or family dispute, practitioner solutions are equally important. Special occasions for spiritual practice. Different traditions associated with Bhairav worship consider occasions such as Kalashtami, Amavasya, Navratri, Diwali and other spiritual reasons significant. However, the procedure and rule can differ from one tradition to another. Therefore, before beginning any specific ritual, it is advisable to obtain appropriate guidance from a knowledgeable person within your own tradition. In particular, practices of this nature should be approached with discipline, proper conduct and mental stability. An important note regarding enemies. The purpose of month practice should not be to harm any other person or carry out violent action against them. If someone is treating you unjustly, first consider practical and legal measures. Spiritual practice can be used as a means of developing inner strength and mental peace. In traditional beliefs, Lord Bhairav is also remembered as divine representation associated with protection and justice. Therefore, a practitioner may pray with the intention that they receive protection from the injustice, find the right path and discover an appropriate resolution to difficult circumstances. Any form of killing, violence or activity instead to cause real harm should not be considered an essential part of the spiritual practice. Final message: the deep essence of Bhairav worship is not limited to an intense or fiery form. It can also be understood through courage, discipline, self-control and the determination to remain committed to the path of righteousness. While listening to this month with devotion, maintain a positive intention and avoid thought of harming anyone. If you find this spiritual presentation useful, please like the video, share it to your family members and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more information about the ancient month tradition, devotional hymns, and spiritual practice. May Lord Bhairav Maharaj bless you with all courage, peace, wisdom, and protection. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bajrang Bali, Jai Bhairav Maharaj, Jai Ma Kali.